This lighting might be too bright, but I don't feel like fixing it, so. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing an Asian food market haul because I'm a fat ass and I like to eat. I like to eat a lot. I got snacks, I got drinks, I got food. I got a little bit of everything. I tried to get a variety of shit so that, I don't know. I don't know I got a variety of shit. Yes, some of these are opened already. That does not mean I ate them. There's a lot going on here. I'm excited for these ones. I'm not excited for this. Just because I've had this before. Not these ones, but I had these before and it was a little... I'm gonna try these two. These are not mine. That's why they're open already. And I'm whispering because the person that these belong to, I don't want them to hear that I'm gonna try their food. But this isn't mine. But they got mad of them, so like, I'm gonna try it anyway. Cause I'm finna fuck it up. I don't even know where to start. I didn't even grab all the stuff. I didn't grab all the stuff because some of the stuff is frozen. Some of the stuff got to be refrigerated. So, watch me be a fat ass. So this right here, chicken and vegetable dumplings. I'm not gonna lie, I already ate this. I will include my initial reaction to this. But I'm gonna show y'all myself eating them again on the nice camera. Before, I recorded it on my iPhone. I want the quality to, you know, match the fuck up. Just in case that shit is trash, y'all finna watch me eat that shit again. This sauce was made. I did not make this sauce, but I will say the sauce is fucking fire. 10 out of 10. The sauce made the dumplings taste better, honestly. If y'all want the recipe, you can't have it. Cause it's not mine to share. I'm gonna dip it in the sauce. It's so good. Can y'all see that? No, I dropped it. I dropped it in the sauce. I rate the sauce 10 out of 10, dumplings 7 out of 10. Yep. Cleaning up my mess here and moving this out of the way. I'm gonna make this shit look like it wasn't opened already. The Melana. This is my first time having the strawberry flavor. I like the green flavor. I don't remember what the green flavor is. I just know it's green and I know that shit is fire. Shit's good as fuck. I think originally I thought it was honeydew, but like it's not honeydew at all, I don't think. Or is it? Compared to the green one, because the green is a 10. If I was gonna do a scale from worst ice cream ever to like, well, I can't do worst ice cream ever, can I? If I would do from a scale from 0 to the green ice cream, I would give this a 5. But it's not bad. It's very creamy and very milky, which is probably why they got the milk in the back like that. It's good. It's still good. It's not nasty. It's just not better than the green one. I literally only got this one because they did not have the green one at the first Asian market that I went to. So the other Asian market that we went to had this John. The next Asian market we went to, where I got the rest of this shit from, had the green one. So I could have just waited, but I was so thirsty. I'm gonna save the rest for later. I'm gonna try these next. Honestly, like, I wasn't trying to get no nasty shit while I was there. I'm not trying shit for nobody's satisfaction. I'm trying shit for my own satisfaction because I think it might be good, and or I need to spread my palate. I don't know. That's what it looks like on the inside. Like, there's not even nothing in there for real. I'm confused. I don't even know what to compare this shit to. I would give it a... I mean, it's like a cream puff. I would give it like a 6 out of 10, maybe. It's really not bad. Like, I know my face is like ill or it's like confused. My face is probably gonna be that for most of this shit. If you like cream puffs, definitely get this shit. If you like strawberry, it's worth a try. Yeah, I'm gonna put these shits in the freezer or the refrigerator. See how they taste. Next, I'm gonna try these potato chips. I don't even think they're potato chips because it has a piece of chicken and seaweed on the bottom. So I guess this is like chicken seaweed flavor. See the chicken? You see the seaweed? And like, it's not in the shape of a potato chip either. So I guess it's not a potato chip. Yeah. Alright. Whatever. Oh no, I don't think I'm gonna like this. I just went through a lot. Just now. I don't like this. No. Never gonna buy that ever again. Never gonna buy that shit ever fucking again. What the fuck? There's only one moment where it tastes good. The rest of the other moments, it's like I'm going through a fucking roller coaster of nasty different tastes. I don't even know. It doesn't taste like chicken at all. It tastes like a fucking like white cheddar Cheetos, but like in the nastiest way possible, because white cheddar Cheetos are fire. I am not happy about this one. I will never fucking buy this one ever again. No. Next, I'm gonna try this spicy curry crunch snack, corn snack. I understand that it's open. No, I did not try it yet. This is not mine. That's what it looks like, ish. It in fact, low-key, it smells like chicken ramen. It literally tastes like ramen noodles. Ramen noodles if you poured the chicken seasoning on top and didn't cook it. It's kind of good. I would like to demote the strawberry puffs to a 5 and this to a 6. I don't know, they both could be 6. They both can. It's a different type of taste. Next, I'm gonna try this grape juice. I can't read it, so I can't really give you any other information, but this is what the packaging looks like. These were on sale, so I'm a little bit scared. And they're like in an applesauce packet, so. Okay, so there's jelly in there. It literally tastes like, you know those ice pops that you get in the summertime, and it got like purple, green, pink, red, yellow, blue flavors and shit. It tastes like the purple one but melted with jelly on the inside. This is weird as fuck. No. It's not horrible, but like, no. No, thank you. No, thank you. No, no, no. No. I don't know what to try next because everything has been, I mean, everything hasn't been disappointing, but like it hasn't been appointing. I guess I will try this. I'm not supposed to eat the outside. Okay. I'm scared. No. Okay. I'm gonna try this apple jelly drink because I feel like this is a safe choice. I feel like it's a safe choice. I feel like it can't disappoint me and I'm gonna believe in it. And I'm going to believe that I'm not gonna fucking gag. Please. There's way too much fucking jelly up in this bitch. I understand it's a jelly drink, but like, what the fuck? None of these drinks are washing the taste out of my mouth. It's just like adding on. Like, we started off on such a high note. It's a step up. It's more than a few steps up than all the other shit I've been eating. It's not bad. It was definitely fucking weird. I have no idea what a crab roll is. No. No, thank you. No, no, no. Not for me. Alright. I already didn't like the first two jelly drinks. So I saved this one for last because I thought I would like it. Because I love lychee and I love lychee in my drinks. But the first two didn't do so hot. So I'm thinking this one won't either. So this is the packaging. Okay. No, thank you. No, thank you. I'm not gonna try to wash it down. I'm just gonna try this shit. It stink. It smells really bad. It's dry as fuck. No. No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. I feel like it's not gonna be nasty, but like, I don't know. A lot of shit has been surprisingly not good. Comes with a little straw. Tastes like a healthier. It's definitely not healthier. It says 38 grams of fucking sugar in one serving. That's insane. That's why I just drank it like that. Tastes like a non-piss version of fucking, what's that shit called? Arizona. So cute. Yeah, that's good. And it's a gram healthier than this drink. Excuse me, I like that. Now for this scary shit. It says shake well before drinking. Okay. Black soybean drink. Not bad at all. I honestly thought this shit was gonna be fucking disgusting. That's not bad. I would give that like a 6 out of 10. That's not bad. This one I saved for last because I felt like this would be the best. So if this one is not the fucking best, I'm just gonna shut the camera off and stop talking. Oh fuck. This is not the last one. That candy is good as fuck. Definitely buy that. Buy that lychee. That's so good. I'm gonna eat another one after this. Can't reach it, but this is what it is. It's something. I'm confused. Almost tastes like caramel popcorn. What is that shit called? It's almost like popcorn, but like it got a weird aftertaste. A very strange aftertaste. Never buying that again. Nope. It's like I gotta... There was something thick in this drink. I just swallowed something thick in this drink. Ew, was it a bug? Ew. This haul did not go the way I thought it was gonna go. At all. That concludes the rest of my Asian food market haul. If y'all want to see more hauls, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good shit. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.